my bed. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look Thursday. Put your drink, got me feeling where you at. Make you feel love. Then it gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Then it gotta be.
Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose. We're back with another video, and as you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Premium for the month of March. I haven't got my base box yet, so we'll do that one in a try-on style most likely. This one I'm just going to show you guys what I got because I got my makeup done already, 1, and 2, I kind of took a sneak peek and there's not that many makeup items, so let's get right into my premium box. Okay, so here is my box. And this is what it's looking like, so let's get into it. So the theme for this month is lucky, and that is the card. I'm not going to say what variation I got because it is ridiculously long, but right there is the variation number, letter thing, you know. Okay, so first things first. We have the Cypress Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer plus Shimmer Palette set. This retails for $145. Why, baby girl? Why? Let's see what's inside this bad boy. So here is the Illuminating Eye Serum and Primer. Like, what do you even do with this? It says gently pat a thin layer around eye area for external use only. And then here is the palette. So it just has like a magnetic closure. Oh, it does have a mirror and it comes with 5 shimmer shades. I personally don't reach for palettes like this, so I will be incorporating this product into a giveaway. But I don't like all shimmer palettes, especially small ones like that. I have larger palettes with mattes and shimmers in them. If I was going to take up one formula palette, I would most definitely reach for an all matte palette over a all shimmer palette. So next is something from Too Faced. This is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. This retails for $35. It's a replenishing face primer and it is silicone free, has coconut water, probiotic based ingredients, and skin revivers. So this is what the actual product looks like. I am using this primer today below my foundation and on top of my moisturizer, and I must say the consistency of this primer is amazing. It feels like a lotion. It smells wonderful, and my makeup is sitting beautifully on top of it. No complaints. I do wish I would have demoed it. Maybe I'll insert a clip here of me using it. I did use it in a full face first impressions, so we'll try to leave that video linked up here. But yeah, I like this product so far and it's definitely worth the price point. Happy to have this in my collection. Let me use you guys a bit closer. Okay, so the next product is from Rowan, which looks like this. So this is the Rowan Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. It retails for $26. It says that it's a non-sticky alternative to classic lip gloss. This liquid lip balm soothes the lips as it nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. Formulated with mango and grapeseed oils to hydrate and protect, it provides the high shine of a gloss with the nourishment of a balm. So that's quite interesting. I have mine in the shade Charlie, which looks like a pretty mauve. So I know you guys are used to seeing me with long claws, but I think I'm getting on board with these short nails. Like, they kind of cute or whatever. Oh, this is a really pretty shade. I'm wearing a matte lip right now, so I might just... Okay, I'm not going to pop this on. I'm not going to pop it on right now. Don't do it. Because I'm drinking hot coffee and crackers right now, so I don't want to mess up my cup. But that is a really pretty mauve shade. And I also really love the component. Like, it's so freaking clear. The next product is a brush set. This is the Beauty Diva London Diva Eye Brush Set. This retails for $48. And I wonder how many brushes are in here. I believe 4 or 5. It's a small box that comes with 4 brushes. Okay, so this is what the brushes look like. It comes with like a little fluffy one, a little like tapered fluffy blending one. This is more of a flat blending brush, and then it comes with this like angled brush. They honestly do feel cheap. I wouldn't purchase these for the price point. The packaging is really cute, like the hexagon detail, but I definitely would not spend $48 on 4 brushes. Does this look like a $12 brush to you? Because they don't look like a $12 brush to me. $48 for 4 brushes puts each brush at $12 a piece. No. To be honest, I'm probably going to incorporate those in a giveaway because I don't see myself using them. I have more than enough brushes. I actually need to declutter my brushes, so stay tuned for that. So next is a duplicate product, which I need to message Boxycharm about because I already have this from them in my collection in the same shade. It doesn't work and I don't even like this foundation. So I'm most likely going to incorporate this in a giveaway. Whoever receives it can use it as a foundation, a concealer, a color corrector, eye primer, however you want to use it. If it's not your shade, and if it is your shade, use it as a foundation. So this is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. It is a full coverage liquid foundation featuring 24-hour water and transfer resistant wear with a breathable natural finish. And this retails for $44. I'm not sure why this foundation is horrible in my opinion. If it works for you, congratulations. But for me, it accentuated my pores so freaking bad. I look like I had 1,000 holes on my face. And I've never seen that ever in my entire time playing around with makeup. So last but not least is a product from Jouer, and this is the Jouer Cosmetics Lip Enhancer. This retails for $17. It says that it's infused with good for you clean ingredients. This lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. It doesn't really have a scent, but you can definitely see through the top that it's gonna have like a pink kind of color to it. I'm guessing that it's gonna be super transparent, and it is in a squeezy tube, so I will keep you posted. I don't want to use this just yet because I have so many lip oils, lip sleeping mask open that I want to run through a few of those first before I start opening anything new. I'm so sorry if you can hear my son in the background. He's watching his tablet, as you can hear, and he gets super excited. So that is everything that I received in my Boxycharm box. As you can see, not too makeup savvy, just lip care, a shimmer palette, a primer. I did use the primer today, and as you can see, my base or my foundation and my makeup application looks pretty good. So the primer is a thumbs up. If I had to rate this box out of a 10, I would give it like a 5. Just not as makeup heavy as I would like it to be. So yeah, I mean, every product was makeup related, but not things that I would reach for. So the brush set is probably going to go in the giveaway. The palette's going in the giveaway. The foundation's going in the giveaway. The only thing I'm keeping is really the primer and the 2 lip products. So again, it's a 50-50 box for me, so it gets a 5 out of 10. Definitely not my favorite box, definitely not the worst box I've received. So if you guys enjoyed watching my Boxycharm premium unboxing, drop a thumbs up, comment down below, check my description box for whatever I have on my face. I'll leave some products linked down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Rose family and enter the 1K giveaway and my monthly giveaways. You do have to be subscribed. And on that note, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, having an amazing day or night wherever you are. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Todd, can you play that again? Let me some 5, we've been through the 305 highway.